Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Z200 10-watt Logitech speakers to go along with my new gaming computer. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Alright, so this should be a very straightforward unboxing video. Just open this up and hook them up and see how they sound. I've been using a very old speaker on my old computer. It's probably from Windows ME Millennium Edition is when I got those speakers. Let's open this up and just see how this looks. And I was kind of excited about these speakers from reading the reviews. It sounds like they're going to have very good sound quality, especially for the price. I only paid like 30 bucks for these, so it's definitely not that bad whatsoever. So what's this in the middle? This seems like there's something in here. What's in here? Let's just go ahead and rip this open. And this is for power, it looks like. Yep. Just plugs into the wall outlet. And let's take this all out. Nothing's left in the box. So, some of the cool things about this, it has adjustable bass on the front of the speakers. I'll be excited to try that out when I launch a YouTube video. And there we go. That is looking nice, isn't it? Let's get the other one out. Get all this off. So on the front here, it has a headphone jack, a volume control right here, and you can turn it off and on just like that. When you hear that click, it's off. And then you have an auxiliary jack right here for any additional music. Then the tone, up and down, plus or minus. So this is the right speaker, and this is the left speaker right here. All right, perfect. So let's go over to my computer and just plug this in. Alright, so setup is going to be very easy here once we get it plugged in. Let's go ahead and connect the power unit and then position our speakers. So let's put the other one over here. I'm going to move my PC a little bit so I got a little bit more room. And then we're going to plug it in under the audio out, which will be this one. Line out. And you can kind of tell there's a little bit of green on the little lines on the jack, and that's what it will be color coordinated with on the back of your PC. Now let's plug it in and go on the other side and listen to some YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and listen to these speakers. I have NCS, no copyright sounds on YouTube playing, so my songs won't be copyright claimed. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And it sounds very clear to me. I can hear a little bit of bass too. I'm going to turn the bass up and down. I'm going to turn it back up. And then I'm going to turn it back down. Man, this sounds phenomenal. I love this. For the price of these speakers, this is phenomenal sound. So if you're going to think about getting some speakers, these look nice. You may have to think about the position that you want to put them around your desk, because these are pretty blocky and they might not fit in the location that you want them. So think about the size and the shape of buying these beforehand. But I do like how they look. I like how they sound, and it gives you a lot of power to play with if you're going to be entertaining some people. Man, these rock. Let's turn them all the way up. Wow, I can feel it. I can feel it bounce. Just sitting on this hardwood table here. So I am definitely happy with my purchase. Holy cow, that's a lot better sounding than my old speakers. They were just flat in terms of just the bass, nothing. You do have some old speakers and you want to upgrade. I think the things you should be thinking about is the size and shape of these and the cost. I mean, these were very affordable speakers, and I think you're going to like them if you go ahead and make this decision. Go ahead and read through the reviews on Amazon. Seems like they have very good reviews, around 2,000 or 3,000 reviews just for this specific model, and it's pretty favorable at about a 4.5 star out of 5, and I'm going to go ahead and give this my thumbs up. check the Amazon link below. Go directly to Amazon and check out these speakers. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation, Xbox, PC tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.